I was going to try to make a set of needle minders. So I have jewelry metal glue. And I have a few buttons, and then I have tiny little magnets. So let's see if I can actually do this with one hand. I'm not sure if this is even opened enough. No, it is not opened. Note to self, take off the cap to open it. Oh, yep, it's open now. All right. Let's see. So I'll let this dry out of the way. Use a scrap piece of fabric to wipe up this glue. Knock it off my scissors. That'll be the bottom of the needle minder. Put the lid back on this one. Actually, I have several, so I can go ahead and use this one too. Put a little bit of your glue on one side of the magnet. Pick out your button, or whatever you're going to use for your needle minder, and then just let this dry. I'm going to let these dry for 24 hours, and then I will have some needle minders for my hand stitching projects. Simple and easy. Here you go. I found this one at Walmart. It's Aleene's Original Jewelry and Metal Glue. Instant Adhesive, Ultra Control. There you have it, guys. I hope you can make some needle minders for your next sewing project.